Maybe you've been considering building your very first online store. You're thinking about using WooCommerce, but you really don't know how to get started, and you don't want this to be a complicated process. Elementor could be the solution. Hello, we're here with the Mooninjas, your trustworthy team of e-commerce, e-learning, and WordPress experts. And today we're going to be taking a look at Elementor's e-commerce plans. Today, we're gonna be reviewing Elementor's entire offering for WooCommerce. We're gonna give you a review of their e-commerce hosting plans, as well as take a look at their page builder, including their WooCommerce builder with all of the Elementor Pro widgets that you can use to build amazing e-commerce pages. So let's find out if Elementor is a good match for your needs. Let's jump into it. So let's get started simply by talking about what is an Elementor e-commerce plan. And this is Elementor's own hosting solution for WooCommerce that provides you everything you need to get started quickly and easily and just launch your online store. As you can see, the monthly plans start at very low prices, which are very affordable. Even at their most expensive plan, it's still very affordable. It does come with a lot of value. So with all of this, you will get your domain, you will get your hosting, and you will get your WordPress installation pre-installed with WooCommerce, just ready for you to add your products, customize your settings, and go. All of these plans include Elementor. You will, however, get Elementor Core in their core most affordable plan, and you will get Elementor Pro in the Sell Pro and Sell Pro Plus options. I do recommend that you go straight for Sell Pro or Sell Pro Plus simply because you get the Pro Builder, which gives you access to the WooCommerce widgets that really save you tons of time when designing your online store. So there are a wide variety of premium widgets and options that you will get available with Elementor Pro if you do decide to go for the middle or higher up plan. And specifically for WooCommerce, these are the widgets that we can take a look at. You get widgets for product price, product images, galleries, ratings, add to cart buttons, which you can just easily drag and drop into the visual page builder and allow you to implement WooCommerce elements into any other pages and play around with them as you're designing your site. With the Sell Pro or Sell Pro Plus plans, you will get a premium WooCommerce theme pre-installed, and it's this theme that you're looking at right here, the Shoptimizer Theme, a theme that is suited specifically for WooCommerce and that emphasizes performance so that you can have a fast loading site. One of the great things about this is that you can easily import all of this demo data into your brand new WooCommerce site, and then you can just go ahead and customize it a lot more quickly and easily. Another cool thing about getting this Shoptimizer theme is that you have many additional features that will help you deliver a better overall experience on your online store. For example, you get this mega menu where you can see you can embed images, subcategories. You can really customize the look of your site's navigation. As you can see, you also have a wide variety of gallery layouts. So here we have one option. Here we have another. You can totally customize your product pages according to your requirements. With the Sell Core plan, though, you don't get the WooCommerce specific theme. You don't get Shoptimizer. Instead, you get the Hello theme, which is still a good choice, but it's not a premium WooCommerce theme. Another area where you will find a variation between the plans will be in terms of storage. With Sell Core, you get 20 gigabytes of storage. With Sell Pro, you get 25 and all the way up to 60 gigabytes of storage for Sell Pro Plus. You will also get increasing bandwidth with each of the plans, and also variations in the frequency of backups. Another great thing is that you get 24/7 expert support included with all of your plans, and this covers all of the multiple services, Shoptimizer theme, hosting, and the Elementor. Let's first navigate to your My Elementor dashboard, which you can access just by going to Elementor website and logging into your Elementor account once you've purchased your Elementor e-commerce plan. From here, you will be able to access your website's WordPress dashboard directly from the overview page with the click of a button. You will be able to manage everything related to your site from domains, email configurations, backups. And you'll also have this advanced settings tab, which might not be as relevant when you're a beginner or just getting started, but it will definitely come in handy as you scale and grow. Here you will be able to manage your staging side for testing, performance, security, and PHP configurations, and also get direct access to your database. From the Overview tab, you also have a button to go directly to your WordPress dashboard where you will have WooCommerce pre-installed. So that being said, let's take a look at what's going on in the back end of your site. We're just here in our testing site, so we will go to the template section and just click on Add New Template. Here we will select the single product, and we're just, for the sake of this video, we're just gonna name it Product Page. And we'll click on Create Template. So you will have plenty of options for example here, a pre-made product page templates that you can just use. But of course you can build everything from scratch using the WooCommerce widgets that are available just with Elementor to drag and drop on the page, and it's super simple. So let's take a look at how building a page with this would work. As you can see, we have tons of different widgets that are specifically built for WooCommerce. For example, WooCommerce products, product categories, breadcrumbs, a custom add to cart, purchase summary, notifications, account. All of this you can use to build amazing e-commerce pages. So let's just take a look at how some of this look, for example. So for example, here we have a product that I just created, an orange t-shirt. I added the description, added the price, added an image. So now let's try to see how that would look dynamically loading with Elementor. Here we go. I added this, which is the product title widget, and it automatically loaded orange t-shirt, which that is great. Let's take a look at some of all the other widgets that we can use. So maybe product images. We can just drag and drop this one here, and voila. We have automatically loading this orange t-shirt. And for example, if I don't want this to be this big and I want it to display differently, I can just use, for example, here the 2 columns, and then I just go back here, add the same product images right here, and it will dynamically load. Right here, we are using the template, so it's pulling information from one of the products, but this template will be used for all single product pages, and the content will just vary depending on the product. For example, we can display that here. So now we have the description that's displaying right there. I can add an add to cart button down there. And that way you're completely in control of designing your product page. It's very easy to use, very visual. If you want to, for example, edit this button, you can just go right here. So if I want, for example, to change to a stacked layout, now it's not side by side but one on top of the other, you can very easily control everything and see the changes occurring visually. So to proceed, let me just go ahead and change this back to inline because I think that looks a lot better, and that's how I would want it to display on all of my product pages. And I need to add one of the most important parts of any product page template, which is the product price, which I'm gonna add right on top of the add to cart button. And this template that you're creating, basically any new product that you create, it will display on the front end with this look. So this is what we would see. Ideally, I would add another section down here that's just a single column, and I could add all of the related products right there just to do some upselling and cross-selling. So let's say I'm ready. I click on publish, and this is what I will see. So Elementor will ask me, where do I want to use this template? So I'm just going to click on add a condition, and then I will just say products. And if necessary, if I want to use different templates for different types of products, I can just choose to use it for a given category or a given tag or child product categories. But in this case, I just want to say for all products. And then that's it. Just save and close. And this template will be applied to all of your product pages. And I just want to point out that you're not limited to using this only exclusively for product pages. You can create templates for any part of your website that you want. For example, I could create a landing page template just to be applied on all of my landing pages. Also, a product archive page for those shopping catalog pages, different templates for your blog posts. You can just use Elementor to design any type of post on your site. You can just give different names to different templates and apply them based on different conditions, just like we saw a second ago. And to make things even easier, Elementor has this library of website kits that you can just embed into your WordPress installation. Right now, we're looking at the e-commerce and retail section because we are talking about the e-commerce plans, and we can take a look at all of the different ready-to-go online store designs that you can just plug in and customize. So overall, whether you're a seasoned WordPress expert or a complete beginner, Elementor and their e-commerce plans is a great choice for getting started with an online store. It allows you to launch quickly, it's easy to edit and easy to manage. Maybe as your store scales, you might need to make some tweaks here and there just for performance and customizing your store to your unique needs. And that's where our ninjas come into play. So if you need any extra help, don't hesitate to reach out. We will leave our WooCommerce services linked down below. And we also have some other cool resources on our site, such as guides like this one for designing your WooCommerce store using Elementor if you need any additional help. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment telling us what you'd like to see next.